Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we got the MagBak Elite case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So when we talk about its design, features, build quality, all of its specs while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So this is a very solid case for the case itself. So let's open it. So here we got the screen protector. You can also watch the installation video. You got only one shot. You have to be very careful. So this is kind of making me nervous. Here we got the case, the MagBak Elite case. We got plenty of stuff here. This is the screen protector accessories pack. Here we got the alcohol pad to clean our screen before installing the screen protector. Here we got once again some information regarding the features of the MagBak, that it comes with accent pack. We got here, I'm going to show you accessories and how you can use the kickstand, finger loop. You can even tighten the finger loop. And the pinky rest is there, and MagSafe installation. So everything is mentioned here. And this is the case for our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you have a look on the case here, you can see that we got the precise cutouts for the camera lenses, flash, etc. Here we got the finger loop. You can just take it out and then you can use it while holding the phone in your hand. It's pretty nice. You can even tighten it from here, as you can see. So this is quite nice because everyone's finger size is different. So you can loosen it or tighten it depending on your preference from this part. So this finger loop is really useful while holding the device. It gives you a sense of comfort that you won't drop your phone accidentally while taking selfie or chatting, or in any case, because it's really nice. It's holding the device perfectly. Here we got the kickstand that allows you to use your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in two different orientations. We will have a quick look on it later. Just wanted to show you the kickstand. And here we got the pinky rest that also works as the cover for the USB Type-C port. So when you are holding the phone like this, your pinky finger will rest on this and it will provide a kind of support. So that's what is the concept here. Here on the side we got these buttons for the power key and the volume keys, so your physical buttons of your smartphone will be protected as well. Here we got these rubberized grip that provides very nice grip while holding the device, and the best part is that you can even change them in different colors. So we got this color accent pack here, and I will show you in a bit that how we can apply it on our MagBak Elite case to give it a unique identity. At the bottom you can see that we got precise cutouts for speaker grills, S Pen, and here is the slot for lanyard. And once again at the top we got the cutter for the speaker grill. If you have a look on the back, you can see that the edges are slightly curved on both left and right side, even though our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra back panel is pretty flat. And the reason to provide curved edges on the MagBak Elite case is to provide better grip while holding the device in hand, and also for better comfort level. On the inside you can see that it comes with this nice soft cushion that work as the shock absorbent, and it is going to protect your smartphone. Here we got the MagBak Elite branding, and here you can see that this case is patented, and if you want you can go to this URL magbak.com/patents to get the information regarding the patent this particular smartphone case holds. Let's put our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra inside it. And here we go. Just put it inside the USB port, and now it looks more like a pinky rest. You can see it is slightly indented in the center to give the support to your pinky finger while holding the smartphone. So that's quite nice, but it depends also how you hold. I hold my smartphone in this way. I never put my finger over here, but if you put it it's going to provide a bit of rest to your pinky finger for sure. So now when our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is inside the case, you can see it is fitting perfectly all over our device. The camera lenses are totally protected as the case is slightly elevated. We got the perfect cutouts for all of the slots and ports. The USB port is protected and it feels so good while holding the device in hand as it is providing solid protection to the device without adding any bulk to it. If you have a look on the edges, you can see that they are raised a lot to provide the protection to the display of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and do not forget that it also comes with this screen protector that you can apply on your S25 Ultra display for even better protection. The side grip is really nice and providing a very nice solid grip while holding the device in hand, so you do not need to worry about dropping your phone accidentally from your hand. The buttons are very tactile, very clicky. It feels so good while pressing them, and as you can see, they are working perfectly every single time. Talking about the kickstand, you can use it in the vertical orientation if you want to use a smartphone like that, or you can use it horizontally as well, depending on your preference and necessity. So that is a nice inclusion for sure, but it is a bit thin, looking kind of filmy. I'm not sure if it's going to survive for long, as you can see, but still nice inclusion. The MagBak Elite case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with the anti-fingerprint coating, so it does not attract smudges and fingerprint easily, and this is one of the nice thing as well here. And since it comes with MagSafe compatibility, you can use any MagSafe compatible accessory like this wireless charger here, and you can see that it is working perfectly. My device is charging wirelessly, and the best part is that it works on top of this finger loop, so you do not need to worry about whether this finger loop is going to affect the MagSafe compatibility. It's working perfectly, as you can see. And the MagSafe magnet is also quite strong. You can see it is not falling out of the MagBak Elite case easily. So once again, that's a good thing that the magnet is strong enough here. Now regarding the customization of your MagBak Elite case, you can see we got plenty of stuff here that you can put on your MagBak Elite case. So you can change the pinky finger rest, you can change the finger loop, you can also change the camera module cover if you got on your device, or you can change these strips as well as the button. So for that, first of all, you will have to remove them. For example, here I go with the side grip. You can see it's empty, hollow now. Let me open this. So here is the side grip part. I just need to put it on this empty slot here, align it perfectly, and then apply a bit of pressure. So you'll have to apply lots of pressure here to make them go inside, or you can use pin or something to apply some pressure, because my nail is not working perfectly, as you can see here, but this is the whole concept. And here we go. So you can see that the red accent side grip is installed after removing this black one. So on one side there is red one side there is black one. You can remove this one as well and put it another one from this color accent pack. I'm just trying to give you a quick demo how it works. You can also remove this pinky support, for example, and you can put this one here like this. We can replace the pinky support cover as well, and you can see now it is red as well. The very same thing you can do with rest of the stuff, like the volume keys, power button as well. You can remove this power button, you can remove the volume button, and then you can put the new ones from the color accent pack. Here we go. Now the power button, and here we go with the power button as well. So this is how you can customize the color accent of your MagBak Elite. If you want, you can also remove the finger loop from here and use this new one. So now the whole setup is done. For the accent pack, you can see we got the side grip on both left and right side. We got the power button and volume keys replaced as well. We got the pinky support replaced as well here, and we got the finger loop replaced as well. So now everything is changed, and our MagBak Elite case for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra got a brand new look. So depending on your preference, you can go with one color accent, you can make mix and match. For example, Here keep it black, here keep it red, or you can buy different color accent packs and have each different component, each different parts here of a different color to get a very vibrant look for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra MagBak Elite case. So if you're planning to buy a case for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then the MagBak Elite is one of the best case for you for sure, because it is a fully MagSafe compatible smartphone case that comes with an integrated finger loop, pinky finger rest, customizable parts with different color accent, a very nice side grip that provide very strong grip while holding the device in hand, superior protection from every angle to your smartphone, as it also comes with this screen protector that you can apply on the display of your device, option to connect the lanyard while providing superior protection to your smartphone. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.